I'm sure they can weigh a lot. We have some hatchlings popping up in our area. They don't weigh too much. They're probably trying to cool off a little bit.
They're maybe that big? Maybe that big? That's about it?
Little guys crawling for the water.
Cute. Yeah, that'll be a great invention to see coming on through here,
Absolutely.
saving some turtles' lives. That's always good. Well, we had one of those quiet days today, and you can see what it looks like tonight. Another great night for a beach night, to be outdoors, to take a walk, just to be outside. It's still very hot. We're still looking at temperatures right now very close to 90 degrees, but we have partly cloudy skies. We're not seeing the rain right now, and especially at the beaches. But what we do have is the heaviest cloud cover is from Tampa northward, and then we've got a little bit of clouds coming on through, but for the most part, partly cloudy skies for us. The rain has pretty much stayed away, and we are not looking for a great deal of showers for later on tonight. East of I-75, we've been looking at these very widespread showers popping up, but they're mostly moving on up towards the north, not making their way towards the coastline, and so we're expecting to see mostly fair skies for the rest of the night. Now, for the past 24-hour period, we have had some places getting some downpours. And you can see what I'm talking about here, right along the eastern edge of Sarasota, Manatee County, all the way down through Charlotte County. We've been seeing rainfall amounts as high as 3 inches in spots. But then if you come on over towards the coastline, we're looking at a very different story. So this is over the past 24-hour period. You can see that we've been a town with two tails going on, and we've been getting the rain, but it's been well east of I-75 for the most part this weekend. Right now, we are looking at these occasional showers that are popping up east of I-75, staying away from the coastline. The winds are pushing everything over towards the east, and so as these storms continue on, they're moving towards the north and dying out as they do so. So tonight is not going to be a great rain night. In fact, we're looking at 0 chances of rain through midnight, and then we're going to bump those up just in time for the early morning hours. Today, we got up to a high of 91. 75 was the overnight low. Temperatures all around the region, mostly in the 80s and 90s, and for our area, we're no different. 90s inland, and temperatures are still 90 degrees down around Venice. A real quick look at Beryl. Beryl, 40-mile-per-hour winds. Beryl is still staying away from the U.S. mainland. 35-mile-per-hour winds by Monday, so it's going to be downgraded, and then we're going to be seeing this system just moving on off towards the northeast over the next couple of days. It's going to stay away from the U.S. mainland, is not posing a problem for anybody, and those are the only conditions that are taking place now out in the tropics of note. And then if you're heading off to the beach tomorrow, we've got the morning showers that we could see developing, winds coming in out of the south-southwest during the afternoon hours, and then seas 1 to 2 feet with a light chop out on the bay and inland waters. Temperatures still warm, 88 degrees. Keep in mind a morning thunderstorm is possible, and then we're going to be seeing showers developing during the latter part of the day. And this is what it's going to look like. You can see for us a 20% chance of rain for tomorrow. So the dry conditions that stayed and were responsible for our weather today, and that's this high pressure ridge that's sitting on top of us, will be present again tomorrow. And then after that, we're going to start to see a low pressure trough begin to move in across the northern part of the state. That will help to set up the rain chances for the rest of this week and bring us a 40 to 50% chance of rain before we're back down to a 20% chance for next Saturday and next Sunday. But it's still going to be hot. No matter what we get, we're still looking at temperatures right around 90 degrees for the entire week. Adam?